9185. This train's been there for days, or a week or a month. That's a EMD SD70ACe. But nobody's in that cab. Look at that engine. Wow. You can even see the fuel tank. It looks creepy right over there. You can see the fuel tank. See that camera. SD70. These wheels look so cool. It's been parked there for a long time. Saying no fuel. PU. There's that side engine. Oh, something is just... The train can't pull over the siding because this locomotive's been there for long. Brakes are applied. Nobody's in that cab. Damn. It's a Venus of SD70ACe. And there's that horn. It's loud. There's a dirty one. It's in Denver, Colorado, and there's a UP joint line over there. 487. It's by the 487 bus. Okay, what's that say? Caution. I can get closer, you guys. So you can guys see better. I can see the inside, but it's dark. So yeah, I'll keep that into that YouTube photos. I'm gonna take a picture of that. There's that door. It's not been used for a long time. This locomotive's poor. Poor locomotive. There's the tanks. Yeah, it looks cool. Took a picture of that right now. There's the mountains right now. Oh, there's a rainbow. I'm scared. Well, not really scared that much. Oh yeah, the light is on. It is on. I see that turning. The light is on. Hope that guy doesn't. Hope that guy isn't. Hopefully no one's in there and blow the horn. It'll freak me out. Poor locomotive. Goodbye.